also get some movies. See, it's not going slow down because the way I do is very fast. It's 3. It's all high definition movies 3. So it's not stopping, it's just going, it's not hanging. That's why this process computer is fast, because the temperature is controlled by a great cooling system. That's why CPU is not going down. It's a free mark video converter. You can convert anything in burn. You can do a lot of stuff with this. You can do simultaneously other stuff that you want to do. So for example, I want to run this one as well as this computer is actually not taking a lot of power. This is a code review. Let's see, properties. Yeah, 5.3. It's like a best score that you actually get for your PC these days. 5.3 is like, man, it's a mid-range, I would say. Look at that, all of them. 5.9, 5.5, 5.3, 6.4, 5.7. So it's got 2 MB cache. Memory is running at 391 MHz, which is good. It's overclocked. This one is 2.5 GHz. That means it's on its turbo boost. Yeah, see this 2 point running at, the clock is 2.13 but running at 2.5 GHz. It's got Nvidia physics and all the features comes with this GPU and the driver. There is no visible marks on this monitor or in keyboard. There might be some few scratches, but you cannot notice. But I would definitely say that this is no scratches at all. It's like new. It's just like, it's almost new. It's new. Not been used. Look at this, is also covered. That means it's not been touched. You got 2 USB front. I haven't seen any scratches here either. So you get these keyboard, monitor, mouse, cables, every cable. It's just you have to pay 220 pounds. That's it, you get everything. Even this included adapter. And let's have a look. These ones look at 5.1 surround sound support, audio, gigabyte internet, 4 USB, 5 wire SATA for the printer, mouse and keyboard, and the power cables. There's got 400 volt power supply, and there's no scratches. There's no scratches. There's no any dust inside. It's totally refurbished. About these ones, this one is also perfect. Let me give you from. So it's a better deal than 120 pounds. It's no scratches. It's not been used. There's no dead pixel. There is no stuck pixels. There's nothing inside the monitor. Is completely fine. Comes with Windows 7. Yeah. See, these ones is not using a much RAM. Processor is like not using at all. That's it. You can run some games because I have also installed the San Andreas here. It's okay. let's just click every single stuff. Let's just click and give some pressure on this PC. See how much you can hold it. So mostly now this thing is getting now the computer is getting pressure because I'm running on most of the applications, like too many applications right these days. Now, see, it's just taking half processor to load these applications. As you can see, it's running all the applications. Let's put some more applications, mostly all of it. Nvidia applications as well. Let's just run Nvidia applications. Yeah, so now as you can see, I'm running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 applications is running. Now, maybe these applications are taking less RAM. Let's just run game and see how much it can hold it. Obviously, it's not a high-end gaming, so I wouldn't say that. You know, it's a fast PC. It's not a fast PC. It's just normal. You know, like what can you get in 120 pounds? I'm actually pressuring this PC. So let's just see now this application is also running. Let's see how much is loading, taking a load while these applications are running. Let's go and find on Task Manager. So you see it's just taking 1.3 on CPU ID. It's like turbo boost using its all power 2.5. Let's just run the game. See if this game can. Sorry. Let's see the hard drive, how much you can read per second. It's good enough, I think. Now after running all these applications, I'm running this game. Now I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna quit this game. I'm gonna hide this, minimize this game. Let's just run some more applications. See how much you can. See, I'm running multiple applications at the same time. There's another game, Driver Speed 2. See, I'm running another game while this game already inside the PC, and the RAM is like now 52%. It's a driving PC game. Now I'm running a driving PC game, Quick Race. San Andreas is already there. This is running already in my desktop. And you're not gonna believe it, this is actually, I'm running another application. Games is always high. It takes always higher RAM because I've got dedicated GPU, so my CPU is not taking a lot of power. So the GPU is always working on these games and the CPU works on the desktop, the other applications. So it's like two processors working. Now the system is loading. That means on AHCI, that means Advanced Host Controller gives you better performance on your hard disk. It's actually new. Start race. Let's just Not giving me problem. Not giving me problem at all. I'm not gonna quit this one. I'm gonna minimize again. See? Okay. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, and let's check the pressure on this PC. I can see there is a lot of pressure is going on, but it's not as much as I expect. VLC player is already not. VLC is running? No, it's not running. I need to run it. I need to give more pressure. See how much you can hold it. You know, let's just play a high definition video on 1080p. I'm actually here somewhere. I also have tested the Hobbit. See, it's a 49 gig security details. It's like full high definition. Let's just run this movie. Now the movie is running. See the most applications. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A lot of applications running. Let's just minimize this one and see how much the pressure the system is taking. The pressure is still going. Now let's just run this application on high definition again. Okay, let's run this one on open with VLC player. Yeah. See this pressure going on. Another high definition movie. Let's just minimize it. Another high definition movie is working on it. GPU, CPU running. Let's just go back and see how other applications are giving me performance. Okay, this one is a bit slowing down, but not really, you know. Yeah, it's getting effects now, but see how much I am giving a pressure to this PC. See, these applications are running at the same time, just on this processor. These all applications, 2 high definition movies, 2 games, and all small applications, including Windows 7. And I am getting 67% RAM and 35% CPU. CPU is like less. Oh, I've just on this game. Let's see this game. This game is also fine, not giving any problem, not losing any frames. Perfect PC. So as you can see, these all applications is not hanging. Not even one application is hanged. Not even one application is hanged. So I would suggest that you buy this PC on 120 pounds. You know, so it's going better because you can run multiple applications. See, the specifications could be different than the performance. So I'm actually showing you these are the performance. Let's just quit this one. Okay. See, the system has adjusted again its RAM. It's back to 35%, and the computer and the CPU is now normal, 0%. I hope you like this PC. If you want, just call me. You get it.